Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why Cadjpy failed to work out so that you can avoid making this mistake. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. So, do you think that I know why this particular trade failed to work? Do you think I knew? Come on. Right. So, like I always try to tell you guys, on a trade by trade basis, there's absolutely no way for us to know what's going to happen. So let me just show you what I saw before taking this particular trade. So as always, you can see that we had this downtrend to the lower time frame right here. You see on the 4-hour time frame, you see the market dropping very nicely. Okay, so we're looking to actually enter the market for sales, right? And then just even on the 4-hour time frame here, you can clearly see that we had a rather best drop supply zone. And the beautiful thing about this one here is that we had what we call the dual resistance QML right here, and we had a low where this big candle was breaking this low right here, and then we saw the market going to the downside, and we saw these beautiful momentum candles right here. If you drop even further to the 1-hour time frame, you're going to realize that the market left behind equal highs right here. So we had a nice rally based drop supply zone with a break of structure to the downside. We had those liquidity which was left behind. We had a nice rally based drop supply zone. We waited for price to come to our level. We waited for the Asian range to be taken out right here, and we waited for the right confirmations. We waited for all the right things. We saw the market coming to this level right here, giving us beautiful rejection right here. You see this, the market actually going down to the downside a little bit, and guess what happened? The market went against us. So let me just show you. We took this trade right here in the private community right here. You can see that the market beautifully rejected this zone right here, giving us all the confidence and confluence to tell us that this trade is going to work. But guess what? It didn't work out in our direction. It didn't go in our direction, and we saw the market going to the upside with big momentum candles, something that nobody out there would have guessed that it was going to happen. So, like I always say, guys, focus on a series of trade, focus on a larger sample size, and I guess the divergent trader puts it the right way. This right here. So an edge works in a larger sample size. It's only when you get a larger sample size does your edge begin to work. And the 20 trade sample size is a great way to break down you trading into a manageable size without being overwhelmed. So just like Mark Douglas puts it, you have to focus on a larger sample size. Don't judge yourself after 1, 2 trades, because that's just too little of a sample size. There's too much uncertainty in 2, 3, 4 trades. Therefore, you're supposed to look at a series of trades, because that's why the edge is supposed to play out. So you focus on making sure that you're taking the right setups, focus on making sure that you're taking the right trades, waiting for all the confirmations, looking for all your confluences, and when you have all those things in place, then you're obligated to take all setups that meet your criteria. Right? That's how it's supposed to be. Whenever you have a setup meeting your criteria, you are obligated to take that trade, because you have no idea which trade is going to go in your favor. All right, so this is what happened here. There's no way I would have known what's going to happen. The most important thing is to make sure that you are taking the A+ setups and waiting for all the confirmations and the confluences, and being able to execute flawlessly, focusing on the larger sample size, because that's when your edge is going to play out. This is how it is. Whenever we take 2, 3 losses, it can easily be covered by one trade that goes in our direction. As you can see, this was the 1-to-28 risk to reward ratio trade, which is absolutely amazing. So there's literally no way for us to actually know what's going to happen on a trade by trade basis. But however, if we take the same setups every time, we know we are going to be profitable. Right now, we are actually in this particular beautiful trade right here. This is NZD JPY right. We see the market giving us a nice rally based drop supply zone in the direction of the trend. Then we have liquidity. liquidity was taken out by big momentum candles, and then the market gave us a touch here, dropped, and then pushed to the upside for another rejection right there. And now we're anticipating the market to give us about a 211 pips right here, which is a 1 to 21 risk reward ratio. Absolutely amazing. And this trade has been shared with our private community, and I've personally taken this trade as well. And they can see that it's running slightly in profit, right? It's about what? It's about a little bit over $100 already in profit. And my stop loss right here is about 626 pips, $626, and my target is around $11,000 right. If it goes full TP, I make it about $11,000. So that's how it is. It's all about making sure that you're taking all your setups that meet your criteria and not being scared to take the next trade, because that next trade is a trade that can actually make you money. So you have to take all setups that meet your criteria. So I hope you found value in this video. It's been 2 days since I uploaded, 3 days actually since I uploaded a video. So I thought of actually showing you this losing trade that we had. So I always try to show you the losing trade so that you have the right mindset when you come to trading. The trading works in terms of probability, and there's no person out there that knows with 100% certainty what's going to happen. So you have to come with that right mindset. And if there's one skill that you're supposed to master as a trader, you have to master losing, so that you don't get affected every time you get a loss. Every time you get a strings of losses, you don't have to be actually mad, because it's part of the process. I hope that's clear. You guys, I hope you found value in this video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.